We have our brand new created droplet. Now let's talk about managing this droplet. At DigitalOcean, we pride ourselves on having a simple and easy to use dashboard, and I think we've done a great job here with the droplets one. You can see on the left navigation here that you have all of the tools that you need to manage your droplet. On the main page, we have our usage statistics for monitoring. So you have your CPU usage. This is when it was created. We have our load usage, memory usage, and disk usage. We even show bandwidth at the bottom. So when you're looking at managing your droplet, you can take a look at these graphs and see if any of these are starting to spike, and maybe you'll want to resize your droplet and move to a different style of droplet. In case you want to do that, we have the resize button over here on the left. You can resize your droplet for your CPU and RAM, and down here you get all of the different options for what you can resize to. Currently, we are on the 1GB 1 CPU plan. Let's see if I scroll down, we could switch up to the 2 and jump to $18 a month. Or maybe our application is starting to get a little bit more production ready. Maybe we want to jump to a dedicated CPU, memory optimized, and we can click on this one. Resizing can take up to 1 minute per gigabyte of data used. Let's see what this resize button does right here. Let's scroll down. You must turn off your droplet before resizing. So one important thing there is to turn it off, and let's go do that now. We have to go over to power, or you can click this button right here, turn off your droplet. And I can turn off the droplet. Our droplet is now off. Let's go ahead and do something a little bit smaller so that this is a fast resize. Let's just jump to the 2 CPU, 2GB plan. I'll scroll down, click resize. Now our droplet is back on and resized. You can see it's 2GB of memory and 25GB of disk up there. Next up, we can talk about backups and snapshots so that we can back up our data, make sure that everything is safe and secure. We can jump over to networking, add a reserved IP address, see everything we need about networking. You can jump to history to see exactly what happened to your droplet. We created it 12 minutes ago, powered off 2 minutes ago for 6 seconds, resized took 12 seconds, and power on took 12 seconds. Once we're done working with our droplet and we no longer need it, we can come over to the Destroy tab. You can click Destroy this droplet, or if you're having problems with your droplet, you can rebuild it from an image. And that's managing your droplets. Be sure to click through your tabs on the left to see what you can do with your droplet. And as always, your monitoring is on the graphs section so that you can know exactly what's going on with your droplet.